Bonjour, it's Mathilde from Adventis. We are here live at House Show Milan 2023, and I'm very happy and excited to introduce to you one of our new products. This is called the Omelette. It's an egg station dedicated for hotel business. And we developed this because very often the queue at the hotel for omelets, scrambled eggs, sunny side up is really long, and chefs are just patiently waiting with poor equipment. So we develop a very powerful induction to have a faster turnover and to improve the quality and the happiness of the end user visiting your hotel. We have different setups. Here I have some tomato and eggs, but you can remove this. You can have a cold version, and we can retrofit any type of dimension for your gastro size to fit your needs. This product is fully customizable. I'm introducing it here at the show with a matte black finish, which is one of our best-selling finishes, and with the design L'Omelette, but it's fully customizable with your hotel brands or anything and any color you would like.